Today we'll see next problem on free moment equation problem. Here there is a slight change. Here we'll see one. Suppose if there is any string in the beam, suppose this beam or this joint strings or any other joint strings, what is the changes in the problem, how we have to solve, what is the changes in formula and how we have to solve, we'll see in this problem. So here in this problem, B strings by an amount of 10 mm is given. Okay, EI is given. This is a problem. And if suppose B strings, so find out that delta B is nothing but 10 mm. Keep everything in meter, keep in the same unit. So here distance is in meter, length. So hence they keep this also in the meter. So conversion of meter is nothing but divided by 1000. You will have delta B as 0.01 meter. Then we will have changes in the formula that we will see while solving. Okay. So first step, consider the span and find out the area and the centroidal distance. So this is span AB, 10 kN per meter. So maximum bending moment, here parabolic. So maximum bending moment is WL square by 8. W is 10 into 4 square by 8. So it is 20 kN meter. Area is this area of this bending moment diagram. That is 2/3 of BD. So 2/3 of 20 into distance is 4. So you will have area as 53.33 meter square. Here it is, centroid will be exactly at the center. So XL and XR, right side and left side, both side it is 2 meter. Similarly for this 40 kilonewton, BC span 3 meter, it's equally placed distance. So maximum bending moment is nothing but WL by 4, that is 60 kilonewton meter. So area is half into base into height, 60 into 6. So 180 meter square. XL and XR, again it is in exactly at the centroid is at the center. So it will be 3 meter. Once that is done, next find out bending moment value at the centroidal or at the free end. It will be bending moment is equal to 0. So MA is equal to 0. Here MB you have to find out, which is not equal to 0. And here MD is nothing but it is given, so it is moving upward, so it is hogging bending moment. Hogging is nothing but minus, so minus 20 kilonewton meter. Next MC. So here there is no any other load acting, so it just couple is acting at the point D. So this couple will have effect on this point C also. You will have, suppose if beam bends like this, so it will be here also again hogging bending moment. This will be a reaction. So you will get as 20 kilonewton meter. You can find out directly, you can write it up directly because no other load is acting on the joint or member CD. Only this couple is acting. So due to this couple you can find out MC. Okay, your bending moment diagram MC. So that is section at C, right of C, you can see right of C is just minus 20. So you will have MC as minus 20 kilonewton meter. Okay, bending moment at C. Bending moment at C is hogging is minus. So minus and this value is 20. So minus 20 kilonewton meter. So unknown is just MB. First consider the span, that is span ABC. Okay. Formula MA into L1 plus 2 times MB into L1 plus L2 plus MC into L2, which is equal to minus 6 A1 x1 by L1 plus A2 x2 by L2. This is a general formula, but here shrink in the beam is there, so you have one little changes in formula. So for you have formula plus 6 EI into delta 1 by L1 plus delta 2 by L2. Okay. This is the general formula. Now first here MA is 0, MB is not known, and MC is nothing but minus 20 kilonewton meter. So then A1 is how much? Area is for span ABC you have A1 53.33 meter square. A2 is nothing but how much? 180 meter square. L1 is nothing but 4 meter. L2 is nothing but 6 meter. Okay, now we have to find out delta 1 and delta 2. Delta 1 is nothing but, so there is shrink in beam here. So it will be this minus this and this minus this. Delta 1 is nothing but delta B minus delta A, and delta 2 is nothing but delta B minus delta C. Okay. Now delta B is known, delta A and delta C is 0. If there is number of beam strings is more, suppose there is in A and B both its strings, then you can directly substitute in this formula and get the value of delta 1. So delta 1 is, delta B is 0.01 minus 0, which is nothing but 0.01 meter. Similarly delta 2 is 0.01 minus 0, which is nothing but 0.01 meter. Now we have to consider this variation. So now substitute back. So MA is 0, directly 0 plus 2 times MB. L1 is nothing but 4 plus 6 plus how much? L2. L2 is MC into L2 is nothing but how much? 6, which is equal to minus 6. A1, here this is L and this is R. Okay. A1 is nothing but 53.33. XL of the first span, that is XL is nothing but 2 meter divided by 4 plus 180 into XR, here it is 3 meter divided by 6, then plus 6 into delta 1 is 0.01 by L1 is 4 plus 0.01 by L2 is 6. So simplify and get the value. And here MC also is known, you can directly substitute it. Okay. So 20 MB plus MC is known, MC is minus, so minus 20 into 6, and just simplify this, you will have minus 699.9 plus 300. Here EI is multiplied by here. EI is how much? 12 into 10 power 3. Okay. After simplification, you will get directly MB. MB is nothing but minus 40 kilonewton meter. Okay, I will explain once again. So here, if any shrink in the amount is given, for that you have little changes in the formula. That is nothing but for the same problem, just add 6 EI times delta 1 by L1 plus delta 2 by L2. Okay. So 6 into EI is 12 into 10 power 3. Keep it in kilonewton meter square. Okay. If it is in Newton, just convert it into kilonewton. If it is in mm, convert it into meter square. Okay. Next, just substitute it. Your MC is known, so you can substitute directly and you will get the direct value, that is MB is found. Okay. Once this is done, next consider the span and find out the reactions. So first AB, can write it here, minus 14, so it is hogging again, kilonewton meter, here it is 0. first span, that is AB, you have 10 kilonewton per meter, distance 4 meter, you have VA, this is VB 1. And here you have one joint moment, that is 14. Therefore, summation MB1 equal to 0, consider clockwise as positive. So you have, this is plus VA into 4, then this is minus 10 by 4 by 2, then this is clockwise, so plus 14 equal to 0, therefore VA equal to VA is nothing but 6.5 kilonewton. 5 kilonewton. VB1 is nothing but, you will have 10 into 4 minus 6.5, which is nothing but 33.5 kilonewton. Okay, next consider span BC. 40 kilonewton. So you have VB, VB2 and VC. Directly you have VC. Distance is 3 meter. Same. Summation MB2 equal to 0, consider clockwise as positive. You have, and take the moment. Here you have joint moment 14 kilonewton meter, and here you have joint moment 20 kilonewton meter. Okay, so for this you have clockwise as positive, so anti-clockwise minus BC into 6. This is clockwise, plus 40 into 3. This is anti-clockwise, so minus 14. This is clockwise, plus 20 equal to 0. Therefore BC equal to 21 kilonewton. Okay. Next, directly summation y equal to 0, upward as positive. So you have VA plus VB plus BC equal to 10 into 4 plus 40. Here V and VC is known, directly you find out VB. Okay. So VB will be 52.5 kilonewton. Okay. Next, draw bending moment. So at span AB you have maximum bending moment like this, and this value is how much? It is something like 20, and here you have 60. Okay. And joint moment, here it is no joint moment, here it is 14. So this is 14 minus 14, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, and here 20. Again here it is 20. Okay. So Yes, this is your bending moment diagram. Okay, so thank you.